Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create the Speedy video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the part where I want it to speed up, for instance, like here. And then like here it's going to be normal again, for instance, and then here is going to be speedy again. So go to speed and make it as fast as you want it to go. I don't think that's fast enough. Maybe like 5x speed. And then here as well. And then you're just going to select the video and you're going to scroll down to motion blur here. And you're going to add in a blur and blend. It depends on your video and like how you want it to look. I just like put it kind of in the middle at around 60. But again, it is totally up to you, and just wait for the motion blur to be applied. And that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. Maybe you want to like blur it even more. It is better if the camera isn't moving with the like motion here, but this is all the video that I have. But again, it's better if the camera's still and you're just running across it. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.